अस्सलामु अलैकुम एंड ए वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम एक इम्पॉर्टेंट केमिकल रिएक्शन डिस्कस करेंगे, फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट्स रिएक्शंस। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट्स रिएक्शंस आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. One is फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट्स alkylation and second one is फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट्स acylation. Both the reactions are very important for 11th, 12th and NEET classes. Let us start with Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. First of all, we will discuss Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions of benzene, which are in 11th class. Then we will discuss Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions of phenol, chlorobenzene, and some other aromatic compounds. So let us start Friedel-Crafts reactions. First of all, we will discuss Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. Number one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions of benzene. First of all, let us start with benzene. Friedel-Crafts reactions are also electrophilic substitution reactions. This is our benzene. It will react with CH3Cl chloromethane in presence of a Lewis acid AlCl3 as catalyst, or we may use FeCl3 as catalyst. First of all, let us see what is the product of this reaction. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Means hydrogen atom will be replaced by alkyl group. We know here is a hydrogen atom. This hydrogen atom is also present at every corner point. So one of the hydrogen atoms will be replaced by this alkyl group, methyl group. So we will get methyl benzene, which is known as toluene. Plus HCl, hydrochloric acid, as byproduct. Very simple reaction. Alkylation reaction means hydrogen atom of benzene ring gets substituted by alkyl group, hereby methyl group. You can remember this reaction in this way. This is our benzene ring. When it reacts with CH3Cl, this hydrogen will go with this chlorine and it will get substituted by this group and we will get toluene. Now let us discuss the mechanism of this reaction. To discuss the mechanism of the reaction, we must know that this is an electrophilic substitution reaction. So first of all, in step first, generation of electrophile, first of all an electrophile will be formed, generated. How the electrophile is formed? This is benzene and this is chloromethane. First of all, chloromethane will react with aluminum chloride, AlCl3. We know AlCl3 is electron deficient. It is a Lewis acid. So this chlorine will share its lone pair with AlCl3 to form AlCl4 negative, because chlorine takes both the electrons. And this carbon atom loses its electrons to chlorine, so a carbocation will be generated. This carbocation will act as an electrophile. Chlorine takes its electron and forms a bond with AlCl3, because AlCl3 is electron deficient. It is a Lewis acid. It will form AlCl4 negative, a base. What is left behind? We are left with CH3 positive methyl carbocation, which is an electrophile. Attack of electrophile on benzene ring. Now our second step is this electrophile will attack on benzene ring, and one of the carbon atoms. Dear students, we know this carbon atom has a hydrogen atom also. So one of the carbon atoms, suppose this carbon atom takes the electrons of pi bond and shares with this methyl carbocation cation with this carbon. So this carbon atom will form a bond with CH3 by taking the electrons of this carbon, and a positive charge will be developed here. This is rhenium ion, which is highly unstable. Since the ring has lost its aromaticity, it is non-aromatic now. Now the last step of the reaction is abstraction of proton H positive by base. Now this AlCl4 negative will abstract a proton from this rhenium ion, which is also a carbocation. See, my dear students, this carbon atom will take the electrons of hydrogen, and this hydrogen will be taken by this base or any other base or by solvent. So the ring regains its aromatic character, and this CH3 is attached with the ring. So our final product toluene is formed, right? ठीक है, ओके। तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पर एक इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जनरेट होगा। क्लोरीन अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके इसके साथ बॉन्ड बनाएगा अल्युमिनियम के साथ, क्योंकि ये लुईस एसिड है, ऑक्टेट इनकम्प्लीट है। तो ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल सेकंड स्टेप में इस रिंग पर अटैक करेगा। ये कार्बन एटम रिंग का इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके इसके साथ बॉन्ड बनाएगा। तो इस कार्बन के पास ऑलरेडी हाइड्रोजन है और दूसरा बॉन्ड CH3 के साथ। अब इस कार्बन ने इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस किए तो यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज डेवलप होगा। तो ये जो एरिनियम आयन है इस रिंग में अब एरोमेटिसिटी खत्म हो गई। तो अब ये थर्ड स्टेप में क्या होगा? एब्स्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ प्रोटॉन। ये प्रोटॉन निकलेगा, इसको बेस अपने साथ ले जाएगा और इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके ये कार्बन फिर से डबल बॉन्ड बनाएगा और ये फिर से ये एरोमेटिक रिंग बनेगा। इससे ये स्टेबिलिटी रिगेन करेगा। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस Friedel-Crafts alkylation of chlorobenzene. This reaction is in 12th class haloalkanes, haloarenes chapter. This is our chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. It will react with haloalkane. Here it is chloromethane. Once again, this is alkylation reaction. What happens in alkylation reaction is one of the hydrogen atoms of the ring is substituted by alkyl group. So this CH3 group will be attached at one of the carbon atoms. But we know this methyl group will be attached either at ortho position or para position. So our product is 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene. Its common name is orthochlorotoluene, and this is para isomer 1-chloro 4-methyl benzene. This is ortho isomer and this is para. Para isomer is the major project because of less steric hindrance and symmetry. Now we will discuss Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction of benzene. This is our benzene substrate and this is ethanoyl chloride or acetyl chloride. This is also an electrophilic substitution reaction in which one of the hydrogen atoms of benzene ring will get replaced by this group. Hydrogen atom will form a bond with chlorine and we will get HCl, hydrochloric acid, and this C double bond O CH3 group will be attached with the ring. This is C double bond O CH3, and our product is acetophenone. This is a ketone. This carbon is bonded with carbon atoms on two sides. So this is our acetophenone. Now at last let us discuss Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction of phenol. This is our phenol. It will react with ethanyl chloride or acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, so that we will get orthohydroxyacetophenone and para-hydroxyacetophenone as products. This will be major product because in para-hydroxyacetophenone there is less steric hindrance. OH group and this group, they are far away from each other. So in para-hydroxyacetophenone there is less steric hindrance. Also this is symmetric as compared to orthohydroxyacetophenone. So this will be our major product. But if this reaction of phenol with ethanoyl chloride is carried in presence of pyridine base, then what will happen? Then this CH3CO group will be attached with this oxygen. Remember. So you can remember the reaction acylation of phenol when AlCl3 is our catalyst, then CH3CO group will be attached at ortho position or para position as usual. So this hydrogen atom will go with chlorine to form HCl. But when this reaction is carried in presence of pyridine base, then this hydrogen of OH group, this hydrogen will go with chlorine and this CH3CO group will be bonded with this oxygen atom. So the products will depend on the usage of catalyst. This is our phenyl state. This is our ester. Ester will be formed when we use pyridine as base. So this reaction of phenol with ethanoyl chloride in presence of pyridine is also known as esterification reaction. अगर phenol की reaction ethanoyl chloride के साथ करेंगे in presence of AlCl3, then this C double bond O CH3 will be attached या इस पोजीशन पर ऑर्थो पोजीशन पर या पैरा पोजीशन पर, क्योंकि we know इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस में ऑर्थो पोजीशन पर सबस्टिट्यूशन होती है या पैरा पोजीशन. और ये वाला है पी हाइड्रोक्सी एस्टोफिनोन, ये ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी एस्टोफिनोन है, ये पैरा हाइड्रोक्सी एस्टोफिनोन है. ये ज़्यादा स्टेबल होगा सिमेट्री की वजह से, लेस स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस की वजह से. हाँ, अगर यही रिएक्शन हम करेंगे फिनॉल की रिएक्शन इथेनॉल क्लोराइड, लेकिन अगर हम कैटलिस्ट यूज करेंगे कोई बेस पायरिडीन अगर इसमें बेस यूज करेंगे तो फिर ये ग्रुप जो है सी डबल बॉन्ड और CH3 ग्रुप, ये वाला ग्रुप यहाँ इसके साथ अटैच होगा, तो फिर हमारा प्रोडक्ट एस्टर होगा.